Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to confirm your age to continue in Grok AI. First, open Google Chrome on your device and search for Grok AI. Make sure to select the official website from the search results. Now, once the site loads, click on the profile icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. This will open your account menu. Next, go to Settings. Here, look for the birth year option and click Change beside it. This step is important because Grok checks your birth year to confirm you meet the minimum age requirement. Now pick your correct birth year. After that, click Continue. Make sure the data you enter is accurate, as this ensures your account complies with the platform rules and prevent issues later. Take a moment to double check the year before saving. Once you click Continue, your account updates immediately and the confirm your age to continue warning should disappear. If the message is still visible, wait a few moments and then go back to the main page or start a new chat session. You can also refresh the page to make sure the updated information is applied. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.